Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the roof drainage details side outlet system 110 millimeters roof outlet side type. So today we will discuss the drainage system of roof floor plan for proper drainage from the top to the bottom. So let's we talk about the parapet wall. You can see that this is a section of the parapet wall, the typical section of the wall of the house parapet. You can see that the parapet section here. Second, we have the grating. So grating is like a sieve on the roof outlet. It's a 110 millimeter roof outlet for the proper drainage to the bottom. Now we have the UPVC male adapter here. As you can see that this section for proper connection with the roof outlet, and here we have the section of the concrete slab, and here on the top we have the finishing section, and here we have the finishing section of the this is the cement mortar with concrete, and this one is the finishing. For example, if you finish with the marble or other material. So here we have the slope. So slope, it means for every 100,000 millimeters you have the 5 millimeters decline for proper and smooth flow of the water on the roof to the to outlet to the bottom. So let's move on, and you can see this. So here we have the 110 millimeter diameter of the UPVC rain water pipe. So this pipe is concealed, it's inside the wall section, as you can see that. So rainwater is carried down through the vertical pipe, which is typically connected within the wall. Moving to the ground, you can see that at the bottom we have the free discharge. As you can see that the direction of the discharge. So here we have the concrete splash. This is concrete splash. This is the finishing, outer finishing inside. This is the level of the finishing level of the ground floor side. This is a typical installation detail for roof outlet assembly side type scale, as you can see that.